Did you know Illustrator actually has 3 different selection tools? I use 2 of them constantly, and that third one always slips my mind all the time. You go to move one tiny piece off your artwork and suddenly the whole design shifts. That happens because each selection tool controls your artwork at a different level. Let's break them down in simple terms so you will always pick the right one. First, the selection tool, the black arrow, works at the object level. When you click something, Illustrator treats it as one complete unit, even if it's made up of multiple shapes of group elements. You will use this when you're moving a shape, resizing a logo, or rotating an icon. A few quick tips: hold Shift to scale evenly. Double-click to enter isolation mode without ungrouping. And Command-click on a Mac or Control-click on a PC lets you select 3 stacked objects. I use this tool when I'm arranging artwork, lining things up, or spacing elements before refining details. Next, the direct selection tool, the white arrow, works at the path level. It selects anchor points, curves, and segments, the pieces inside the object. Use it when you want to round one corner, adjust a curve, or fix a shape that looks slightly off. A few helpful tricks: drag a small box to select multiple anchor points. Hold Shift to move points in a straight line. And those live corner widgets make rounding corners instant. I use this tool to refine icons, adjust type outlines, and clean up curves after drawing. Finally, the group selection tool, the hidden one, works at the group hierarchy level. It lets you select one object inside a group without ungrouping anything. Perfect example: you're editing an illustration and want to recolor just the shirt. One click selects the shirt, second click selects its group, third click selects the entire structure. It's great for SVG, icons, and anything with nested groups. So there you have it. A quick recap: the selection tool selects the whole objects, direct selection selects anchor points and paths, and group selection selects objects inside group. Choosing the right one keeps your workflow smoother, cleaner, easier to control.